Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. This is Walk Around with Ralph again. We're down at the beautiful downtown Hagerman Dollar Store where they're having a feed for all. They're having a customer appreciation day down here. Free hot dogs and drinks. A lot of friendly conversation. So if you're out there and haven't came yet, drop on in. I've already had mine, so we're going to do a little walk around here and kind of show you the place. Got Gertrude out here doing my camera duties, and of course I got Sam doing the audio stuff. Come here, Gertrude. Okie dokie, back with Walk Around with Ralph here at the Family Dollar Customer Appreciation Day. We got shade set up. We got American flags. We got hungry people from all over. We got heads up folks coming through. We got people here just serving all kinds of good stuff. We're serving drinks. We're serving hot dogs by the dozen here.
Good afternoon.
Back here's the cooking area. You're doing a pretty good job, I might add. I've already had mine, so we're doing good. But they just got a lot going on down here. Kind of nice the way things are situated and arranged. Follow me, Gertrude. She's doing a good job. We're going to make one more pass through here and wave at our manager and everybody. And don't run into my drone. Don't let it run into you. There you go. Come on through here. We got a little hot scotch and drawing going on. Heads up, guys. Got my camera crew coming through. Anyway, that's what's going on in beautiful downtown Hagerman. We're just working all over the place down here. Food was good. Company was better. We're going to go ahead and get out of their hair now. We'll come over here and wave goodbye to everybody. Come here, Gertrude.
Good deal.
Okie dokie. We got Gertrude doing a 30-foot zoom out here. We've got the rest of the staff of the store here who have been very hospitable and fed us and all that kind of stuff. And feeding me is not real easy sometimes. But anyway, it's been a beautiful day out here. They're having a customer appreciation day, and we appreciate them too. So come here, Gertrude.